Welcome to this Freescan tutorial. Freescan is the first cuffless blood pressure monitor which can be used anywhere and at any time. Let me now introduce the device and show you how easy it is to use. Simply remove the protective cover from the device and you'll see the controls, the screen, and the measurement button. On the back, you'll see the pulse sensor and the ECG electrodes. To use Freescan for the first time, let's first turn it on. To do that, press the On button. To get us started, we'll need to set up a few things: the date, the time, and your personal profile. In date mode, you can choose from one of several date formats. In this case, the date format is correct. Typically, the date is preset, so you can click through it 3 times. As far as the time goes, you can select either the 12-hour or the 24-hour clock. Let's select the 24-hour setting. The time of 12:02 will be correct, so you can click through that. Because Freescan is a personal device, you'll now be asked to enter some personal details. For our purposes, the gender will be male, and the year of birth will be 1972. The units of measure, kilograms and centimeters, are correct. For me, the height should be 1.8 meters and the weight 85 kilograms. Your Freescan device is now ready. Now that you've set up your device, you're ready to take your first reading. So please turn your device on. Take a moment to feel your pulse in your left wrist, located between the tendons and the bone. Now, when you can feel your pulse, take Freescan and hold it between your thumb and middle finger here on the electrodes. To get a perfect reading, place the device on the same spot where you first felt your pulse. Now press the measuring button while you keep the device on that same spot using a constant pressure. At this point, you'll see the pulse rate light come on. Keep it there a full 10 seconds to complete the measurement. Now, to get reliable readings, please be aware of the following points. First, you should be sitting comfortably with your arm extended. Your hand should be relaxed, not tense, and supported. It is also important that you place the Freescan device in the right spot and position on your wrist, like so. If the device is held like this, then the sensor will be unable to sense your pulse. Using the correct pressure, you'll be sure to get an accurate reading. Now here are a few possible problems which may arise. One possible problem can occur in the winter. If your skin is very dry, the electrodes will not conduct well. The drier the skin, the less conductivity. Like so. ECG signal weak. This may appear when your skin is very dry. If this is the case, simply wet your fingertips and moisten the spot on your wrist where you'll be taking a reading. Another possible problem in measuring may be that you haven't properly touched both your fingers to the electrodes, like so. It is important to hold the device like this and apply constant pressure. Device not stable, error message. This message simply means you may have moved while measuring. When you're taking a reading, be sure to keep the device steady and do not move it the entire time you're taking a measurement. To get a successful reading, hold the device steady and apply a constant pressure. Error message 5. Weak pulse signal. This message typically appears when you do not apply enough pressure on the wrist or when the pressure is not constant. This concludes the Freescan tutorial. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy using this device.